Hello everyone, welcome or welcome back to M&D Legal Consult. On this channel, we basically share legal tips to assist business owners, content creators, influencers, and also entrepreneurs in protecting their businesses and assets legally. So in today's video, we're going to be talking about the contracts for content creators. What are the contracts that content creators need to execute with their brands, with the brands they are working with their clients? It's important that you as a content creator execute contracts with your clients so that you are going to be bound by the terms of the contract and to avoid any form of legal implication. So in this particular video and also on our slides, we're going to be sharing important information about the contracts that content creators need to execute for their work and for the work that they want to do with the brands they are working with. So please do subscribe to our channel, and we'll be releasing more videos like this if you enjoy more videos like this, of course. So let us get right into the video. The first thing that you need to understand is, why are contracts important for content creators? It is very important because it will help you as a content creator protect your rights and your brand identity. As a content creator, you are also using that is a form of a means of livelihood, and you are using it to bring income for your business, for your brand. You are promoting your brand, you are promoting your brand and identity. So it is very important that you protect your brand identity, your personal information, and to safeguard your rights. Make sure that you are well compensated when you are meant to be compensated, and make sure that no brand takes your business or takes your brand and your identity for granted. So it also firms the terms agreed by the parties, that is you and the brand that you are working with. There are times that you would want to make some terms that are just on, you just talk about them, just implied terms, or you talk about them oral contracts, but you need to reduce that in writing so that it will be enforceable under the law. Then it's also important to execute your contract, because the contract would contain very important terms, like the terms of payment. How do you want to be compensated? How do you want to be paid? Do you want to be paid the full amount almost immediately, or before you start the content creation for the brand you're working with, or you want a part payment and then you pay, or the brand pays you at the end of the work that you're doing for the brand? How do you want to be paid? It is going to be highlighted in the contract, as well as the location for the content creation, how the content creation is going to go, the products that you're going to be using, or you're going to be be advertising for the brand. Whatever discussion that would have been said between you as a content creator and with the brand you're working with, it is very important that it is reduced into writing and enforceable as a contract. So now let's go into the three types of contracts that a content creator can have while working with brands. The three major contracts, amongst others, that we're going to be talking about later in this channel. The first one is a sponsored content agreement. The second contract is the brand ambassador agreement, and the third one is the affiliate marketing agreement. We decided to talk about these three contracts or agreement because they are very, very common among content creators and brands or businesses that the content creators are working for. And if you are if you're a person that you are not really a content creator, and you want to understand what a content creator is or who a content creator is, there are people that create content for businesses and brands, basically driving sales and visibility for the brand or for the business. So they are individuals that are major, that have a large following, that have a community and have audience, that are they are capable of actually patronizing those brands or those business services. So what content creators do is they make sure that they put engaging content, and they put attractive content out there to make sure that their brands are getting paid for their products or for their services. So a content creator can also be an influencer, someone that has a large following on social media. It could be on Instagram, it could be on YouTube, it could be on TikTok or Facebook. The content creators majorly make use of their social media platforms to advertise for these brands in order to drive sales for them. So, as a content creator, you are also into the business of creating content. It's a business. So, you have to make sure that you are operating as a personal brand or a business brand to, serve the brands or the businesses that you want to advertise for. And it's important that contracts are put in place to make sure that this happens. Contract that we're talking about is the sponsored content agreement. This particular agreement outlines the terms of a sponsored post or a campaign. So there are times that the content creator wants to have it or create a content post, a sponsored post for the brand they are working with. It could be a video, it could be a picture, just to showcase the brand. So let's take, for example, it's a skincare brand, and the skincare brand reached out to the content creator. Probably the content creator is a beauty content creator, and the skincare brand reached out to the beauty content creator to sponsor or to advertise their skincare products on their page, right? So the content creator would have to do a sponsored content agreement, and this sponsored content post agreement would have to include the deliverables. The deliverables are the things that the beauty content creator would have to collect or get from the skincare brand. What do you want us to advertise for you? Is it the cream that you're selling? Is it the oil you're selling? What are the products that are to be advertised? Those things are going to be listed in that contract. Then compensation. There is no content creator that creates content for free. If you are a content creator in this age and time and you are creating a content for free, I'm sorry, but you are shooting yourself in the leg. It is very important that you get paid for your services, paid for your sponsored post. Okay, so you have to discuss the issue of compensation, and it must be mutually agreed and put into the contract. Then the right of usage of product, how the products are going to be used. This skincare brand would explain to they will explain this to the beauty content creator, how the products will be used, how the cream will be applied on the body, so that they won't mislead their audience on how it's going to apply. So majorly the skincare brand, while sending the product for sponsorship, would include a manual on how the skincare products will be used, so that it will be easy for the beauty content creator to create content on that and to showcase to his or her audience. So this particular sponsored content agreement is very common among influencers and content creators that are making sponsored posts on the social media platforms. It could be a reel, it could be a picture, it could be a video, and the time and length of the video is also discussed in that contract. It might not be more than 1 minute video. Some skincare brands might just want the content creator to talk about the product for like 50 seconds, and it must not exceed 50 seconds. Maybe they want to distribute it on other platforms. This will also be discussed in the contract as well. So it is very important that this particular contract exists, so that it will guide both parties and they will be able to be fully devoted to the enforcement. The second one is the brand ambassador agreement. This is also common as well, majorly with influencers, celebrities, people that have a large following on social media, because it's only people that have a large following on social media, or people that maybe they've made a very significant impact on that brand or business, that they might be made as brand ambassador. And you would also agree with me that there are times that brand ambassadors agreements, it suffices. It's very important that the brand ambassador agreement exists between the person that they want to make as a brand ambassador and then for the brand or the business. So this particular contract basically specifies the period of time that brand ambassadorship is going to run. There are times that the brand ambassadorship agreements can be for a period of 6 months or 1 year, and it can also be renewed. Maybe if they felt the impact of the content creator or the influencer or the brand ambassador in their brand for a period of 1 year, and they want to renew the contract, they can decide to opt for a renewal. But the particular period of time must be stated in that contract, as well as the terms and condition, the remuneration, the money, the compensation that the brand ambassador will be getting. Will the brand ambassador be getting compensation in form of products that is the business sales, or will the brand ambassador be getting compensation in form of money? How will the brand ambassador be compensated? This has to be stated in the contract. It is very important. And also other important terms and conditions will be stated in a brand ambassador agreement. So it is very important that this agreement is structured, and it is stated. The terms and conditions are stated for the both parties to be mutually agreed, for them to mutually agree upon the terms. So it is not just about getting templates online. It is very important that you consult with a lawyer that is very vast in the area of contracts, to be able to put some particular terms in place to protect both parties. Third and the last one we'll be talking about today is affiliate marketing agreements. This is also very common among content creators, even very small content creators that are just coming up. This is also common to them as well. You would see so many people talking about, oh, you have to check my code. Once you get my code, once you click on my code or use my code for your checkout, you will receive a 15% off discount, a 20% off discount. These are called affiliate marketing. There are some times that it might not really be necessary to have a major agreement on it, right? Especially if you are young and you are a young budding content creator. But if you are a content creator that is where you make your money from, your major source of income comes from content creation, it is important to have an affiliate marketing agreement. Affiliate marketing cannot only come in form of codes, can also come in form of links. And majorly, once there's a particular link that is created for you as a content creator, you have to make sure that that link is monitored. How are people clicking on that link? You might not know from your end. It might only be from the end of the business or the brand that's required your services to be able to drive sales to their business. So it is very important that there should be an affiliate marketing agreement to stipulate the time and the period that code or that link will be valid. There might be a particular time that would be placed on that code. It might just be for a month, and you might not know as a content creator that that code is only valid for a month. The brand might just tell you to advertise with this code and sell it out to your audience or to your fans or to your community, but they might not tell you the time frame that the time that is attached to that code. And you as a content creator might think that the code is only for, it can run for like months or for a year. But when you realize that the code is just for a month, you can't actually have any problem with the brand. You cannot sue them because there's no affiliate marketing agreement stipulating the time frame. So it is very important that this agreement is put in place to make sure that the period of time that the code or the link will be valid is agreed between the parties. The commission that the content creator is going to derive from that code or from that link is agreed as well. And then how the code or the link will be tracked is also agreed as well. So it is very important that this particular agreement exists between the content creator that will be making use of the code or the link as an affiliate marketing for the brand, because at the end of the day, the brand is the one that needs the services of the content creator, because they need to make money, they need to sell their product, they need to sell their services. So it is very important as a content creator to protect your interest, to protect your money, and to be able to track how much is really going in. Guys, thank you very much for listening and also for watching this video. For more information, please do send us an email. Is on the screen at info@mdlegalconsults.com for more information and inquiries. And also check out our website www.mdlegalconsults.com emanconsult.com and contact us. All our information and every details that you need will be there. And also, if you want to purchase this particular slide, we will leave a link where you can purchase it at a very, very affordable price, and we hope that it will be useful to you moving forward. Thank you guys again for watching this video. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, and also click on the post notification bell to know when next we post. We post every single week. And yeah, stay tuned guys. Thank you again for watching, and we will see you in our next one. Take care guys, and bye.